Welcome to the Zona Nova Tree Nursery in Malawi, Africa. Today we're going to show you how to plant a baobab. This is baobab fruit. To get it ready for planting, you want to boil some water, pour it directly on the fruit, and let it sit overnight. In the morning, the dry pulp will come off and the seeds will be ready for planting. You can just put them out on a table for a few minutes, let them dry, and then we can get started. Baobabs like sandy, well-drained soil. You can start planting them in seed trays like this, and once they reach the 1 or 2 leaf stage, you can transfer them into bigger pots. This is a baby baobab seedling, just sprouted a few days ago, and you can see it's still holding on to its seed top. When we transferred our baobabs from the black plastic seed tubes into our upcycled 5-liter plastic drink bottles, which you can see here, we didn't want to disturb the root system, so we just carefully cut off the bottom of the black plastic tubes and buried them in the soil. We can gently take off the plastic as they grow bigger. We'll keep our baobabs here at the Zona Nova Tree Nursery until they reach about 1 meter in height. At that point, they'll be ready for transplanting out into the wild.